Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on this 2008 Chevy Impala with a 3.5 liter V6 engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First I'll show you how to change these three in the front, and then we'll go to the back, which is a little bit more difficult. First thing we need to do is just pop one of these wires off like this. Go one at a time. Don't take all these off because you don't want to get mixed up with which wire goes to which plug. We're going to use a 16mm deep socket here with an extension. So you're just going to break this free, and then we'll turn this spark plug out. Once you've got it all the way turned out, you can usually just take it out with your socket here like that. If it doesn't stay in your socket like this and it falls in there, a little telescoping magnet helps out a lot. I got these AC Delco Iridium spark plugs online. I will have them linked down below where you can get them online. So we're just going to slide this into the end of our socket and then use this to take it and put it back in the hole and start threading it in by hand. Once you've got it about as tight as you can get it by hand, you can stick your ratchet back on here and torque it back down. You don't have to get this crazy torqued, but you should give it a good oomph like that. Now we can take our spark plug wire and replace it on the spark plug here. Push it down until you get a little click. If you're wanting to replace these wires, we will go over that. Now that we've replaced our first plug here, we're going to go through and repeat the same process for these other two plugs. Now we're going to remove this cover. You're going to twist the bottom of the oil filling cap and take out this whole piece right here. And then you're going to pop this shroud right off. Just snaps on there, just pop it right off. Put this back on so you don't get any crap that falls down into the crankcase. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket to remove this bolt and this bolt, and then also corresponding bolts on the back side here, which you can see right there and right over there. Unplug the coil pack right here. So just push down on this tab and pull it out. Now we can just kind of lift our coil pack here, pull it up a little bit so we can get access back down here. So we'll just do these one at a time. If you just crawl right up here on the engine, not too bad to reach these. Here's a bad spark plug right here. You can see that crack in the porcelain right there. That's no good. Putting the wires back in on the back side pretty much has to be done by feel because you can't see the tip of the spark plug. But you'll know you got it right when you feel that click, when you feel it pop onto the end of the spark plug. Here's another nasty bad spark plug. Another thing to note here with these is that they do go in on an angle depending on which plug you're doing. Just like in the front, they are positioned in at angles. Now that we're done with the back side, we can put our coil pack back in place, start putting our bolts back in, start putting things back together. Don't forget to plug your coil back in here. If you want to replace your wires, the time to do that is before you put this back in. Just take each wire off one at a time, put a new one on, and replace them. I'll have new wires linked down below in the description where you can get them online. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.